All right, part number two. Part number two, we're at question number 15 is where we left off. So the question is, if ionic compounds are composed of charged particles, ions, so they have positive and negative charges, why isn't every ionic compound either positive or negatively charged? It's because those charges cancel each other. That's why we do that crisscross method, is so that they cancel out the charges. All right, next one, number 16. Would you expect the following pairs of atoms to combine chemically to give an ionic or molecular compound? Now, to figure this out, remember, ionic is a metal and a nonmetal. Molecular is nonmetal, nonmetal. So if one of the two is a metal, then we're going to get an ionic. If they're both nonmetals, then we get a molecular compound. So the first one, we got Li and S. Li is a metal, so therefore, first one is ionic. Second one, we got O and S. Both of those are non-metals. Both of them occur up here in the corner, so therefore this is molecular. Third one, we got Al and O. So we got Al, he's right here, he's a metal, remember exception. Then we got the O, he's over here, so that's metal, non-metal, so that's ionic. Then we got F and Cl. F and Cl, they're both up here, they're both non-metal, so that's molecular. Then we got I, and we got potassium, which is over here. There's potassium, metal, non-metal. That's ionic. The last one, we've got H, which acts like a metal, and N, which is over here. That's a non-metal. Now this one could go either way. You could say because he acts like a metal and this is a non-metal, you could say ionic. But you could also say, well, this is a non-metal and that's a non-metal, so you could say molecular. I would accept it either way. All right, it all depends. All right, now we go on number 17. Number 17. Okay, number 17, the question is, what is the net ionic charge of every ionic compound? Well, that net ionic charge, remember they cancel each other out, so if they cancel each other out, 0. All right, they have no charge, the charge is 0 overall. Again, the very last question, when must parentheses be used in a formula? Well, when do you got to use parentheses? It's when it comes from this chart, all right, those polyatomic ions. And if you need more than one of those, then you're going to have to put it in parentheses to say that we need more than one. Right? That's when you have to use parentheses. All right, well, that concludes the review. So remember, if you're looking at this, and that means tomorrow is the test. So make sure that you are ready for that test tomorrow. See you.